The 2011 Avalanche. The Chevy Avalanche can transform from an SUV into a full-size pickup truck, all in less than a minute. This makes the Avalanche one of the most flexible vehicles out there and is priced below $30,000. This vehicle has less than 90,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: remote engine start, stability control, traction control, steering wheel audio controls, power passenger seat, anti-lock braking system, tow hitch, power steering, adjustable steering wheel, driver airbag, keyless entry, four-wheel drive, cruise control, aluminum wheels, four-wheel disc brakes, floor mats, AM/FM stereo radio, premium sound system, climate control, rear defrost. If affordable style and reliability are what you're looking for, this vehicle couldn't be more perfect. Drive it today.